Hello student, today I am starting your science book. Till now I have not started because I have not some sufficient instrument to make this type of videos. Now there is one my friend who has helped me. Now I will make most of the videos. By seeing this type of video you can understand my language will be also easy. I am starting today chapter light. See this video one time, two time, then you will understand. This will be very helpful for you if you are seeing one video one or two times. Our chapter for today will be light. Okay, light. At first we will understand what is light. Light is a form of energy. Nothing is light. Light is a form of energy. Now you are saying that here is thinking that energy. What type of energy? Light is a physical energy that cannot be seen. It can be feel only. Okay. Light is a form of energy which enable us to see. Light is a form of energy. We can write definition of the light is light. Light is a form of energy that enable us to see the object. What is the light? You understood? Light is a form of energy that enable us to see the object. There are two type of object. If there is light, then we can see any object. But there are two type of object. Some objects that can emit light itself and some objects that cannot emit light itself. They reflect the light rays. I will explain what is reflection, how it reflect. Okay, but at first I will classify the object in two parts. First part is luminous object. Luminous object, that means an object which can emit light itself, its own light. An object which can emit its own light are called luminous object. For example, sun, bulb are the luminous object because they can emit light, its own light. And other object is non-luminous object. Non-luminous object means an object which cannot emit its own light but can reflect the light rays. But the reflect light rays are called non-luminous object. Okay. Now we will study some phenomenon of the light. For example, we will have to study in class 10th reflection of light. What? Reflection of light. You have studied that. What is light? What is object? There are two types of object, luminous object, non-luminous object. Luminous object, that means that can emit its own light are called luminous object, and the object which cannot emit its own light are called non-luminous object. Now, what is the phenomenon? Some phenomenon of the light. Okay. Phenomenon of light, we will have to study two phenomenon. In class 10, we will have to study two phenomena of the light. First is reflection of light. What? Reflection of light. Okay, reflection of light. Sometimes you have seen that if you have a mirror, if you are focusing a torch, in the direction of plane mirror, then it reflect, then it bounce back the light rays. I am not explaining what is reflection, but you should understand that if you are focusing your torch in direction of plane mirror, then you have seen that it returned, some light rays return in its own path. Okay, in own medium, from in which medium they are going, they return in its own path on medium. Then this phenomenon is called reflection. If a light rays transfer transfer or return from bouncing back from any smooth surface, then it is called what? Reflection of light. We can say in one line that the bouncing back of light from a smooth surface is called what? Reflection of light. We can write the bouncing back of light rays from a smooth surface is called what? Reflection of light. Understood? What is reflection of light? The bouncing back of light rays from a smooth surface is called reflection of light. Every and each object, near about every and each object reflect the light rays. Okay. Also, this type of object that can reflect light rays are called reflector. And this reflector, other name of reflector is also mirror. What is mirror? That means any object that can reflect light rays are called mirror. There are some rough mirror and some smooth mirror. A mirror in which you can see your face is a smooth mirror, and a stone, marker, this board, they are also a mirror because they can reflect light rays. So they are also mirror, but not a smooth surface. They are not a smooth surface, but this is also a mirror. Any object, anything that can reflect light rays are called reflector or mirror. Okay. Now, for the reflection of light, there are two laws. Next, our topic will be law of reflection. Our next topic will be law of reflection. See here, let's suppose there is a smooth surface. We can also say that this is a reflector. Okay, I am taking here a point, middle point of this reflector or mirror, and I am taking a normal, a perpendicular line passing through the mirror, that is called normal. What? Normal. It is denoted by n. This is a normal. Okay. We have studied that the bouncing back of light rays from a smooth surface is called what? Reflection of light. That means the reflector bounce back light rays. Okay. Let's suppose a light rays incidence at a point on the smooth surface. This is a incident ray. Incident ray. Okay. These rays are incident at the smooth surface at point, let's suppose O, and after bouncing it back in any other direction. Let's suppose this is the direction of bouncing back. Okay. This ray is called incident ray, and this ray is called reflected ray. Okay. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Because this is a smooth surface, this will absolutely reflect the light rays, because this is a reflector. This is a smooth surface and mirror. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray. And the angle, we can say what is incident ray? Ray that fall on the mirror is called incident ray. You will have to understand that. What is incident ray? Rays that fall on the mirror at a point is called incident ray. Okay. And what is reflected ray? Ray that reflect or bounce back from the point of the incidence is called reflected ray. Okay. Now our next term is what? This angle is called, the angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence denoted by what? I. Okay. And the angle between the angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Okay, this is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. What is angle of incidence? What is angle of incidence? The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence. And what is angle of reflection? The angle between normal and angle of reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Okay, now there are two laws of reflection of light. First law is what? Angle of incidence in any reflection from a smooth surface, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. This is the first law. This is a very important question for the board examination. What are the law of reflection of light? Our first law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What? Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That means this angle is equal to this angle. We can say that angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is our first law of the reflection. And second law, there are two laws. I have told you that there are two laws of reflection of light. Second law said that, this is very easy. I think you have already understood. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. This I is equal to R. Learn by this. I is equal to R. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Okay. Second law is that, see this very carefully. The word and the sentence will be some larger but very easy. See here. Second law is incident ray, okay, incident ray, reflected ray, and this normal. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Very easy. What? Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie at a point on the plane. It's same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. This is the second law of reflection. We can write here incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Okay, this is the second law of reflection of light. Okay, Katni. If you are understanding my language and my teaching method, then like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and told them also to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.